Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm CryptoKip, and today we are going to be talking about Crypto.com, a huge announcement for CRONOS and the Crow fam, and anybody who might be holding a loaded lion could have something special in store for them. I myself am actually intending on buying a loaded lion tonight. I cannot wait to show you guys on the channel. But we got a lot of big stories to go over today, including a $1 billion crypto recovery fund launched by CZ and Binance. We're going to talk about our thoughts on that today. And $1 million Bitcoin price. Is that possible? Some folks are saying it. So we got a couple stories I want to get past you guys, but the big news is there may be a lot of FOMO coming with a new announcement from Crypto.com. So let's get into the content. Before we do, make sure you smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 4 videos every single day on this channel for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers in the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscribers. So you do not want to miss out on that, folks. Let's get into the content. Let's show you guys what's going on here in these crypto charts. You got an $800 billion market cap still. Bitcoin holding strong at $16,514. Kind of as we expected. You know, yesterday was Thanksgiving in the United States. Hope everyone had a nice Thanksgiving. If not, I hope everybody's week is going well if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving. But guys, the prices came down a little bit yesterday, and today the regular market started trading again, so we got a little more action, and the price came back up a little bit. So Bitcoin hanging strong here. Ethereum back to 1,200, which is cool to see. Looking at CRONOS Coin currently at 6.5 cents, which is great. A little bit of a recovery. I've been dollar cost averaging on that Crow, folks. Smash up the like button if you've been doing so yourselves. But big story for today, Binance deployed a $1 billion fund to keep the crypto industry afloat after this FTX collapse. Folks, this is a very, very cool story. They may even increase that amount to $2 billion at some point in the future if the need arises. Now, this came as a result of the FTX fallout, and a lot of companies are going into bankruptcy. Now, CZ is trying to be a sort of hero, and he is talking a lot about this and wants to show transparency, and he wants to show strength right now. And what's very interesting is there's a quote here I want to show you guys, actually. So folks are starting to say that Zhao, referring to CZ, and this is a CNBC article, emerged as a new savior-like figure for the ailing industry, filling the gap left by Sam Bankman-Fried, whose firm had bought or invested in a number of crypto firms from Voyager Digital to BlockFi prior to its collapse. So very strange. You know, savior-like figure is a dangerous term for them to be saying, in my opinion, because, you know, a lot of people saw Sam Bankman-Fried as some savior-like figure, and he wasn't, first of all. And when it collapsed, it caused a lot of fallout, and it caused a lot of doubts and fear in the community. We don't want one exchange to be the conqueror, the dominant figure in all of crypto. We want a lot of exchange players to be involved, competitive, friendly with each other, cordial, moving the community forward, driving crypto adoption. And lately, there have been a lot of fears, and for good reason, that CZ only has Binance's interest at heart. And, you know, calling him a savior-like figure only sets us up for failure if Binance does have a problem. And I don't think Binance will have a problem. I think they're fantastic, just like Crypto.com, just like a lot of these great projects. KuCoin, there's some others out there as well. But, you know, there's a lot of fear, and I think that just latching onto a new savior-like figure is probably not a great idea. So very, very interesting. And they even note here that FTX's failure was triggered in part by a tweet posted by CZ. And that's something that a lot of people overlook, so we got to keep that in mind. But speaking about the recovery fund, Binance said the vehicle is not an investment fund and is intended to support companies and projects that, through no fault of their own, are facing significant short-term financial difficulties. This is what CZ said, looking for folks that had cascading contagion effects stemming from the FTX collapse. They also said that the program will last around 6 months, which honestly, folks, sounds pretty darn bullish to me, because when you think about that, the recovery fund's only needed for 6 months. Why? Because the bottom is getting close. Folks, we've been talking about this on the channel. The folks that are dollar cost averaging now and this peak fear are going to come out of this ahead for the next bull run. And programs only lasting for 6 months, probably because the bull market is just around the corner, folks. 2023, 2024, 2025, most likely 2024, 2025, folks. They also said, Binance, about this fund is it's flexible on the investment structure and is accepting contributions in tokens, cash, debt. We expect individual situations to require tailored solutions. The company added around 150 companies have already applied for support from the fund, Binance said. So here's my concern. Here's my red flag, folks. Though this is good news, could it be bad news too? Is this actually just a further threat for CZ to have dominance over the entire market? Because my question here is 150 companies have applied for this this fund and for this support, but who's going to get accepted? Is it only the companies that Binance and CZ want, or are there going to be strings attached to this money when they do get this recovery money from CZ? So that's something to be thinking about, guys. Kind of something I'm really actually nervous about. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that for y'all here as more news breaks about this recovery fund. But up to $2 billion they might do. So it is good. Don't get me wrong. It's good news, but we got to keep an eye on this. But could be a $2 billion fund here if the need arises. So we'll see. We'll see. Another thing I want to note for you guys is Cathie Wood and ARK Invest still see Bitcoin going 6,000% upward from here to $1 million. Folks, there are people that believe in this project, and as the fear is strong and as people are panicking, there's billion-dollar recovery funds coming out. There's million-dollar price predictions for Bitcoin. There are thousands and thousands of Bitcoin being bought all the time, traded, sold, lots of volume in Bitcoin, folks, and even in a bear market, right? So we're in a bear market, volume's less. Right around the corner, guys, there will be bigger prices coming. It has been proven that folks that stick around in the pain come out on top at the end of the day. Also, want to share with you guys, we're at 4.76K subscribers on the channel. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. If you want to follow the Crypto.com community and the CRONOS army here at the Crypto Report, you can actually become a supporter for our channel. When you do, you get access to some of these loyalty badges showing that you've been a supporter. You know, you're brand new, you've been on the team for a month, 6 months, a year, 2 years. We even got these custom emojis, which is pretty cool. Look at this little CryptoKip emoji. Black Sea, shout out to you, brother. Great job on this. This is really cool. The Crow fam, the CRONOS logo. There's different tiers too. Crypto Reporter, you get a member shout out, you get priority replies, and also exclusive member-only videos for the senior Crypto Reporter tier, and then also a dedicated video for all the VIPs out there. So check that, guys, out if you haven't done so already. We're going to keep these news reports coming to you guys and all things CRONOS because that's what we do here. Another thing I wanted to note, big story for Crypto.com. They came out with this Play Zone FIFA World Cup event where basically this is like a fantasy league for FIFA. Super, super cool, guys. Their marketing campaign is spectacular. Bracket predictors, that's you know, all these different ways to earn points and get rewards all around the FIFA World Cup, which is so big that, you know, even me, I don't really watch soccer that much, or football, as you might call it, and somewhere across the pond, if you will. You know, I'm watching too. This is how big it is, folks. Another thing I noticed, you know, keep in mind, the logo, the banner is on the arena in Qatar for this huge event, 5 billion viewers, and the photos that'll be taken, they'll be here forever, guys. This is a very good thing for Crypto.com. They're doing a fantastic job on Twitter, wishing everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And Chris Marsliak has been, you know, staying calm, staying easy, staying safe here, and just doubling down on his efforts to build during this bear market. So I love where we're at. And guys, the 76ers, even loaded Lions, are showing up at the 76ers. And this brings me to my next point, folks, the biggest announcement of the day. Crypto.com is actually coming out with a Crypto.com land. Crypto.com land metaverse, the Crimson Dunes, the first frontier. Alluring Aurora is within your reach. Sapphire Lagoon, 5 unique land NFTs. Look at all these lands. Molten Cavern, 25,000 plots for grabs. Blockchain. Guys, this looks really cool. And now there are a lot of people that are speculating, by the way, that folks that hold loaded lions are going to get preferred access to the first sale, possibly even a discount. I intend to buy a loaded lion tonight. Let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. Guys, I can't wait to show you. I think this is huge. This is going to cause FOMO. I really believe it. People are stronger than ever in their conviction on Crypto.com, myself included. I think there's a huge community out there very, very eager to see Crypto.com land come into the folds here. And I think when it launches, it's going to be huge. I think the NFTs, I think Crypto.com, I think the CRONOS Coin is all going to see a boost from this as it comes. You know, if not, it's only because of a bear market. And when we get to the bull market, this is going to be these are going to be the things, guys, that gives that utility to loaded lions, that gives more utility to the CRONOS tokens, to the blockchain, to CRONOS overall. CrowFam, I'm very, very excited, folks. I'm very, very excited. You got to keep an eye on these prices, guys. I still think we're trading sideways. For now, you know, we got to wait for Bitcoin to bottom, but folks, that is just around the corner. Whether it's tomorrow, whether it's a week from now, 2 months, 6 months from now, it's coming. CZ even referenced it with his recovery fund. You know, he believes that 6 months from now, he won't need a recovery fund, probably because he's bullish. That's all I got for you guys in today's video. Thanks for tuning in. I'm CryptoKip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. And don't forget, we got a free sign-up bonus when you sign up for Femex using the link in the description down below. You can get up to $4,100 when you open up a trade, open up an account on Femex, and got some great trading tools for you with a market cipher link as well, folks. We appreciate you. Hope y'all are having a great holiday. That's all we got. Peace.